Hey you guys, Trisha Turner here, owner of Trisha Turner Properties. As y'all know, every week we are trying to spotlight a local business of the week, somebody that we work with, somebody that we do business with and refer out, know, like, and trust. This week we are bringing Hudson Bay Roofing to you. We've got Vic Merrick here. He is known as the roofologist over there at Hudson Bay. You'll see their company information at the bottom of the screen, phone number and website. So definitely take that info down, reach out to them if y'all need any roofing help or have any questions about that industry. And thank you for being here with us today. Got
You're
a few
welcome.
questions for you.
Good, thank you.
Number one, how long have you been in the industry?
I started the business in 1976.
Oh my gosh.
Been doing it a long time.
Wow.
And we do all different types of roofs.
That's a long time. I love
sure
that.
have, yeah.
Okay. What do you like most about your job and why?
Probably meeting with people. You know, you meet all different types of people, and some people you remember and some people you wish you never met.
Yes.
And probably in any business. But I still enjoy it. I get up early in the morning, get on the phone, answer questions to the salespeople and stuff.
He goes out and does classes too, you guys. His class is awesome. He's been here in our office, so make sure you call him about that.
That's correct. I do CE classes for real estate agents throughout the Houston area.
That's good. What do you like least about your job then?
Well, probably there's not much you can say bad about what we do. Probably the biggest thing, if you really think about it, you give a bid to someone and you call them to get a response, to see what the bid's like, how do I stand, and they don't get back with you. It's probably the biggest problem.
It is waiting.
Yeah,
Yeah.
waiting. I mean, I wish people would just say your price is too high, too low, or just let you know.
Yeah,
But it's probably like that in all businesses.
it is. I
Yeah.
agree with you. What do you think is your biggest challenge in your business?
Probably the competition sometimes. Whenever we have a storm, people come in from all over the United States. And that creates a big problem because in the great state of Texas, you do not have to be licensed to be a
Wow.
roofing contractor. So that brings in people from all over, and then a lot of people pay them up front, half the money, and they never come back and stuff. But it's just like any business.
That, I didn't know you didn't have to be licensed. That's kind of scary.
It doesn't make sense because all other industries, air conditioning, whatever, you have to be licensed, but not in roofing.
That's a shame.
Yeah, it
Somebody
really
should
is.
change that.
Yes.
Okay, what would you say differentiates your company from your competitors?
Probably the biggest thing is the basic thing I can honestly say what makes Hudson Bay outstanding is not me or the salespeople or the guys that actually do the work. Some of these guys have been with us 15, 17
Wow.
years, the subcontractors. They do outstanding work. I've had people tell us that they didn't even know we were at the house. When they finish, they do an excellent job on cleanup and
That's
stuff.
amazing. I love that.
Yes, it's the
It's
truth.
nice when you have people work with you that long.
Yes.
Makes them like a family.
It is a family.
I love that. Okay, what is your biggest pet peeve in the industry?
Like I mentioned probably a while ago, is people come in from all over when there's a storm
I bet.
and they take advantage of people. And it makes a lot of roofers look bad
Yeah.
on that point.
Big time.
Yes.
I agree. I'm glad you guys aren't like that. If you weren't doing this, what do you think you'd be doing with your life?
I don't know because I've been doing this for so long. What would I be doing? Probably if I won the lotto, let's say that I was to
go with
win
that
the-
one. Yeah.
If I was to win the lotto, I have a brother-in-law that has a yacht. I'd probably ask him to buy one a little longer than what he has, and we could travel around the world.
That would be awesome.
Yeah, it really would be.
Does he live on the yacht?
No, but they spend a lot of time
Yeah.
on it though.
Oh my gosh, that's a good one. What is your favorite charity and why?
Right now, it has to be Holy Rosary School,
Okay.
because that's where we have 3 of the grandsons going to school there, and we try to support the school as much as we can.
You should. That's
Mhm.
awesome. Okay, what is one thing you'd like for people to remember you for?
Being a roofologist,
I'd never heard that word before today, y'all.
it's a trademark, but a lot of people do remember me by roofologist. They may not remember my name, but if I call and say, "Oh yeah, you're the roofologist,"
I love that.
Yeah.
Okay, final question, you guys. Where do you see yourself and your company in the next 5 years?
Well, I think the company is growing. And probably the biggest thing, like I can honestly say, is the pricing. People are more concerned about one thing, and it has to be price. I think number two is the quantity of type of work. A lot of our business comes from referrals, and we always pay a referral. I don't care if it's for a real estate agent or if it's an individual that we've done work for in the past.
I love that. So you see growth coming?
Yes, a lot of growth.
I love that.
And the beautiful thing is, we have an office here in Fulshire, and Houston is growing this way. I think in the next few years, I noticed that the toll road is really developing now.
Yep.
There are a lot of people out there now
Oh, yeah.
working.
We're about to get super busy out here, y'all.
Yes.
I love it. Thank you for being here.
Thank you very much for asking me.
You guys, on the bottom of the screen, don't forget the roofologist info is right here. Make sure and reach out to him if you need any roofing questions, any guidance, or you just want to talk to him about roofing. Please feel free. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.
And thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.